Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good whatever time of day it is and whatever part of the world you're at. Welcome back with all word problems. Locate the question, read that first. This one essentially wants to know how far is it from third base to home plate. And the diagram is already labeled, so I'm just gonna write over top of it. And there is third base to home plate. They want to know that distance. Now, let's see what information they give us. They tell us that the area of the figure below is 3,600 feet squared. So 3,600 feet squared. And I'm gonna fill that in right here. And it's a good math habit to always label your diagram, okay? In the next sentence, it refers to this as a diamond. Now, mathematically speaking, a diamond is just another name for a rhombus. And the reason that's important, because if you know what a rhombus is, the definition of a rhombus is 4 equal sides. So by them telling us that it's a diamond, in other words, they're telling us that it's a rhombus, all 4 of these sides are congruent. Congruent means equal, and those are congruent marks. Those little hash marks that I just put are all around the diamond. That lets us know that they're all equal. And we're going to use a variable to represent them right now because essentially that's what we're trying to find. So the area of any figure, any 4-sided figure, is always one side length times the other side length. For this one, we're going to say that area is equal to S times S, which is essentially S squared. They tell us that the area, once again, is 3,600 feet. So I'm just going to fill in that number, 3,600. Now, in order to solve this, to get S by itself, we're going to have to take the square root of both sides, because when you do that, that's how you cancel out the exponent 2. So S squared is going to become S, and the square root of 3,600, that would be 60. Why? Because 60 times 60, if you do the work, is equal to 3,600. So the square root of 3,600 is 60. The answer to our question, how far is the throw from third base to home plate? 60 feet. Final answer.